Pero gusto ko naman po marinig naman ang boses niyo this time. Ready na po ba kayo?
Yes!
Okay, thank you, Popsters. At sa Ash Lloyds, maraming salamat. Sa lahat po na tumangkilik ng pelikula namin
Ash Lloyds?
ni ni John Lloyd Cruz at saka ni Gerald Anderson. Maraming salamat. Catch Me, I'm in Love. Abangan niyo po yung follow-up movie namin ni Nagsisimula na po kami mag-show.
Go, Jovi! Moment mo yan!
Next month pa po. Siguro next week. Bahala na. Okay, para po sa inyo lahat ito.
Moment mo yan! Moment mo yan! Ayusin mo, ha?
I'm afraid to fly. And I don't know why. I'm jealous of the people who are not afraid to die. It's just that I'm gone. Back when I was small, someone promised that they'd catch me, but then they let me fall. And now I'm falling, falling fast again. Why do I always take a fall when I fall in love?
Ayun mo, Patrick!
You think I'm
Sabi mo, labi na sila. Parang nalabi na talaga, no?
falling, you were right. The fire can be oh so long. That's why I return, turn and walk away. That's what I should do. My heart says go and find the door. My heart says I love you, and now I'm falling, falling fast again. Why do I always take the fall when I fall in love? The world turns out the same. Nothing's so